what is I, Gabriel? Today's video is going to be a video on what if Hell's Scythe, what if the Hell's Base became an attack type. So I would use Hell's Hammer, but since we have the CX system, I'm like, why not use the CX system and turn it? But if I had the red blade of the red Brave Blade and the prize Hell's Reaper, I would make this red and I would have this be an entirely red combo, but since I have a lot of blue parts and the stock combo for Lord Tyranno, I decided to turn this into a blue type attack base. So we have Hell's Brave, turn 960 gear flat. And its opponent is its three-bladed counterpart, Hell's Hammer stock combo, Hell's Hammer 370 Hexa. So yeah, let's get this thing started. But before we get started, hey you, do you want BX base? Or even UX base? Or even CX base? Well then go check out sponsor of the channel, Mall of Toys. They're a big help to the channel, and if you guys use code Gabriel'sBase at checkout, you'll save 5% off. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, score will be up to 10 points as it is per usual on this channel, so first battle, people go shoot. 3, 2, 1, let her rip. Okay. Oh! Little too sporadic there. Hell's Brave. Score is 0 to 1. Next battle, people go shoot. 3, 2, 1, let her rip. Oh! Oh, that battle was so sick, but dang. Hell's Brave didn't even win. Alright, 0-2. Alright, next battle. They go shoot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh! Shot it straight into the pocket. That's crazy. Score is 0-4. Next battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh! Come on. Gear flat is an awesome bit to play around with, but it's definitely not going to win you anything, so score is 0-5. Alright, next battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, jeez. Alright, 1-5. Alright, next battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Hit. Ooh! Oh, the tilt is not good. The tilt's not good. That's not good. Don't tilt. Don't tilt. Come on. Alright, 1-6. Next battle, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! 3, 2, 1, let her rip. Oh! Alright, 1-8. Next battle, they can go shoot. 3, 2, 1, let her rip. Oh! Hitting the I am speed. Alright, 1-9. Next battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh! Alright, 1-10. Let's wrap it up. Although the battles were insane, honestly, this combo isn't really something that you should be using. Even though it's a fun combo, yes, but it's nothing that will help you win your competitive decks. But if you do have the parts to create this, I recommend that you check this combo out because it's really fun. Anyway, guys, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, goodbye, folks.